All right, really quick video. Tin Talk here, like and subscribe. Quick video on the high-tech film unboxing. So I had a first video, I'll label it part one. This will be part two. So this is the actual things that I got with the high-tech here on my first order. I don't know if they give you candy every time, but that would be pretty sweet. See the dad joke there? All right, so they gave me candy, and I'm so surprised about that. I've never received candy with a window tint brand before, so that's awesome right there off of the rip. I appreciate those guys at High-Tech Films. Right here, you have your little I use these for like getting a little side angle wedge on like port windows or something like that. A really tight squeeze on a port window. Other people might use it for other things. This right here, I like the new design on this squeegee. I personally haven't seen it like this before. Not this sharp. I've seen the sharp ones with the angle like this, but not quite like this. This is a little different here, as you can see. This is a little different here. I really do like this one. It's super firm, so I'm gonna be using that tool, and I'll most likely give a full review on that tool after like I use it for about a month or two. Shrink card, hard card. I'll be using this hard card. I'll try it out. I'll give this one a review also. I personally prefer the moon-shaped ones, but we'll definitely see how this one goes. And then we got a lanyard. You know, a lanyard is self-explanatory. You can have a keychain, whatever you want to do, however you want to do with that. That's what I got with that. And again, I don't get paid promotion. I don't get paid sponsors. Nobody pays me for nothing. You know, and that's what I said. As for like unboxings and reviews, things like that, you know, it is what it is. This is a high-tech banner. I'm pretty sure it says high-tech on it. I'm sorry if I'm saying the name wrong. Is it hitek, high-tech? I'm pretty sure it's high-tech though. But this is a banner. That's if you unravel it, it's gonna say high-tech in black and red. That's self-explanatory. And we got a microfiber towel. This is actually what I'm gonna be using, probably the most out of this pack besides the goodies and the candies. But I'm gonna be using, let me open this with the phone on me, this microfiber towel. See, this is like the new design also. I like how they stayed up to date. So the microfiber towels, if a lot of you didn't know, they're switching up the microfiber towels that a lot of people are using with tinning. We're kind of transitioning from the fuzzy yellow ones. So I'll give you guys a heads up right there. As for the big fuzzy yellow ones, we're kind of transitioning off of it. But this one right here, it seems very cool. It doesn't have all the lint that comes with it. So that's a whole nother video I'll tell you guys about, but this is the new generation microfiber towel. That's pretty awesome. So I'll definitely be using this one. It's pretty cool. It's a nice size too. It says high-tech on it. It's a pretty awesome one. Besides that, stick around for the next one, and yeah, like and subscribe, you guys. Tin Talk here. I'm out.